What's inside a tooth? Every part of a tooth is important. You should stay it strong and healthy, so that you can chew your food and charm everyone around you with your smile, and that's why it's so important to keep a strong dental hygiene regimen. The crown of a tooth is the part that is above the gum line. It consists of 3 layers. The outermost layer is the enamel, which is the hardest substance in the human body. It needs to be so that we can chew our food. Beneath the enamel is dentin, which is a lot like bone. It consists of living tissue that is calcified. It has microscopic tubules that run from the pulp at the core of the tooth to the outer enamel. That's why we can feel temperature in our teeth. At the very core of each tooth is the dental pulp chamber. The pulp includes the blood vessels that keep the tooth alive and nerves that provide sensation, including pain receptors that let us know when something is wrong. The root is the long part of the tooth that connects to the jawbone. Tiny periodontal ligaments hold each tooth in place, and gum tissue provides extra support. The roots are hollow, with canals that link the nerves and blood vessels in the dental pulp to our nervous and cardiovascular systems. Thanks for watching. Take good care of your teeth by brushing for 2 minutes twice a day and flossing daily.